Entertainment is evolving faster than ever as AI transforms how we play, watch, and create. From virtual worlds to game design, AI is now deeply embedded in modern storytelling. Studios and creators are using AI to generate characters, dialogue, and entire game levels. AI helps personalize content, recommend shows, and even generate music in real time. With VR and AR, entertainment is shifting from passive watching to full immersion quickly. Voice cloning, deepfakes, and virtual influencers are redefining how stars are created now. Gaming is no longer scripted. AI allows players to explore endless unscripted experiences. Behind the scenes, AI is optimizing visuals, audio, and performance across all formats. This is not science fiction. AI is already shaping the future of how we relax and connect. Let's explore how artificial intelligence is changing entertainment forever starting today. 1. How AI is reshaping the gaming industry right now. AI powers smarter enemies, more realistic characters, and better storytelling in games. Games like GTA, Skyrim, and Cyberpunk use AI mods to create endless interaction options. AI now generates entire landscapes, quests, and conversations with no human scripting. Developers save time and cost by letting AI build levels, test playthroughs, and fix bugs. Gamers get personalized experiences based on play style, mood, or in-game decisions. NPCs no longer repeat lines. They evolve based on your choices thanks to dynamic AI. The future of gaming is AI-driven, offering infinite gameplay worlds that adapt to you. 2. Personalized gaming worlds with adaptive AI systems. Imagine games that learn how you play and shape the world around your style and actions. AI tracks decisions, combat moves, and preferences to evolve enemies and environments. Each player's world becomes unique, offering different missions, rewards, and experiences. Dynamic difficulty adjusts in real time so players stay challenged but never frustrated. AI balances speed, reward, and storytelling to create a personal journey in every session. This level of personalization keeps players engaged longer and improves replay value fast. The result is a deeper connection with your digital world that feels alive and evolving. 3. Virtual reality gets smarter with AI integration. VR becomes more realistic and immersive when powered by artificial intelligence engines. AI helps generate smarter NPCs, better voice response, and real-time environment changes. Eye tracking and emotion detection guide the story based on your reactions in real time. AI-generated environments build instantly, adapting based on your focus or movement. AI enhances haptics and voice interaction to make every VR moment feel natural and deep. Virtual training, games, and social VR spaces all benefit from smarter AI inputs today. As AI improves, VR becomes less like a game and more like a parallel digital universe. 4. AI and the rise of virtual characters and influencers. AI-generated characters now act as streamers, influencers, and even music artists online. Virtual influencers like Lil Miquela earn real sponsorships and fan bases without actors. Voice cloning lets creators give digital personalities consistent, realistic expression. AI handles responses, comments, and interactions on social platforms automatically. Fans connect with these characters like real people, often unaware they are synthetic. This trend blurs the line between fiction and reality in media and pop culture today. AI lets anyone create and control a digital persona that builds a brand and audience. 5. AI in music production, remixes, and real-time soundtracks. AI composes original music for games, ads, videos, and even live performances instantly. Tools like AI VA and Amper create custom soundtracks based on tone, pace, and emotion. Game soundtracks now shift dynamically based on what the player does or where they go. AI remixes classic songs, clones artist voices, and even collaborates with real musicians. Indie creators can now generate studio-quality scores without hiring full production teams. Audiences experience music that reacts to them, making entertainment more interactive. AI in music is creative, fast and redefining how sound is made and consumed worldwide. 6. How AI is disrupting film, animation, and script writing. Studios are using AI to generate scripts, animate scenes, and suggest plot structure fast. AI tools analyze decades of films to predict what scenes or stories will perform best. Storyboarding, voice acting, and even background design are handled by AI assistants today. AI avatars act, move, and speak in full scenes using just a script and reference voice file. This helps small teams create blockbuster-level content with fewer people and less budget. Writers use AI to draft dialogue, fix pacing, or translate scripts in multiple languages. The entire filmmaking pipeline is becoming faster and more efficient using smart AI tools. 7. AI-powered content recommendations and user engagement. Netflix, YouTube, and Spotify use AI to predict what you want before you search or click. These systems track views, skips, replays, likes, and even pause points across your profile. AI suggests personalized playlists, show cues, and thumbnails to improve watch time. Streaming services now use AI to test trailers and previews tailored for different viewers. Algorithms help creators understand what content performs best by analyzing user data. The more you watch, the smarter AI becomes at delivering what keeps you coming back. Content discovery is no longer random. It's AI-guided, fast, and deeply personalized today. 8. AI in augmented reality and real-world entertainment. AI brings interactive AR experiences to life using phones, glasses, and real-world data. AI helps AR apps understand environments, recognize objects, and respond in real time. AR games like Pokémon Go use AI to place digital items logically into physical space. Theme parks and museums use AI-powered AR to guide visitors and enhance storytelling. Retailers use AR to let users try products virtually with AI tailoring it to body and space. AI makes real-world entertainment smarter, more immersive, and adaptive to each person. This fusion of real and digital is transforming everyday spaces into interactive worlds. 9. The role of AI in fan experiences and content customization. AI lets fans change endings, control characters, or remix their favorite scenes and lines. Video games, shows, and books now offer alternate paths powered by machine learning. Fan fiction and art are being co-created with AI to explore new storylines instantly. AI filters help fans create memes, edits, parodies, and reaction content at lightning speed. Interactive live streams allow real-time dialogue between AI hosts and fan audiences. These features boost engagement and let fans become part of the content creation loop. Entertainment becomes more collaborative as fans and AI shape experiences together. 10. The road ahead for AI in entertainment innovation. AI will not replace human creativity, but it will accelerate and expand what is possible. Creators will become directors of intelligent systems instead of doing everything manually. Entertainment will shift from mass media to personalized, adaptive, and user-driven formats. Tools will let anyone create games, music, shows, or characters with very little budget. Ethical questions around deepfakes, ownership, and AI-generated content will shape policy. Still, the innovation is unstoppable as AI evolves faster in entertainment than in any field. The future is hybrid, where humans and AI co-create worlds we never imagined before now. Now is the time to explore, experiment, and embrace the tools shaping future entertainment. Drop a comment on what AI-powered experience excites you most or what you want to build. Like this video if you learned something new about the future of AI and immersive tech. Subscribe for weekly deep dives into AI, digital trends, and the next-gen creator economy. Thanks for watching, and keep imagining the future you want to play in and help create.